Are you tired of struggling with outdated gear? Today, we're counting down the top 20 ingenious new woodworking tools that are currently all the rage on Amazon. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a weekend DIY enthusiast, these must-have workshop tools are absolute game changers for precision and efficiency. We've scouted the latest innovative hand tools and smart power tool accessories that are trending right now. From revolutionary marking gauges to high-tech clamping systems, these Amazon bestsellers will level up your craft instantly. Let's dive into the coolest woodworking inventions of 2026. Achieve a flawless deck finish with a system built for perfection. Introducing Cortex for TimberTech Composite Fascia, the strongest, easiest way to hide fasteners in TimberTech composite fascia boards. The Cortex hidden fastening system is one of FastenMaster's most innovative decking products, now available for TimberTech composite fascia boards, letting you harness its strength on your next project. Cortex fascia plugs are made directly from TimberTech fascia boards for a perfectly hidden look. The counterbore tool pre-drills for expansion and contraction, while the setting tool ensures precise depth. Each package includes screws, plugs, and tools, making it ideal for creating a clean, fastener-free deck perimeter. Upgrade your cutting setup with smarter support and control. Meet the Dvvo product's feed supports, an essential for improving stability when working with smaller table saws and band saws. Used exclusively with XT extender fences, they fit into the bottom slot of the extender fence to provide additional in-feed or out-feed support, extending the feed area and improving feed control. Ideal for portable, benchtop, and job site saws and band saws, they also work on full-size cabinet saws. XT1 feed adds stability, keeps boards square, and ensures safer, precise cuts. With versatile positioning and height-matching design, they are perfect for smooth, controlled material feeding. Get perfectly aligned shelves every time with precision you can trust. Presenting the Kreg Shelf Pin Jig, a cabinet shelf hole drilling guide, an edge-aligned precision jig and adjustable shelf pin tool designed to address the common challenge of uneven or misaligned shelf holes. This 1/4-inch shelf pin jig ensures accurate drilling for adjustable shelving in cabinets and furniture. Its edge-aligned design registers securely against surfaces, delivering straight, repeatable results with consistent hole spacing. Portable and easy to use, it supports fast setup for DIY and professional projects. Premium Kreg tools help woodworkers turn ideas into clean, functional shelving systems. Unlock precision and efficiency in every woodworking project with a tool built for accuracy. Presenting the Virutex Lock Mortiser, an exceptional solution for both professional carpenters and DIY enthusiasts looking to achieve precise and efficient lock mortising. This tool is expertly designed to meet the demands of both workshop and on-site work, offering unparalleled versatility and ease of use. It becomes necessary when clean, accurate lock recesses are required without time-consuming manual effort. With its reliable performance and user-friendly design, it is used for creating precise mortises for door locks, ensuring perfect fitting, smooth installation, and professional quality results every time. Take your routing accuracy to the next level with precision and control. Introducing the Powertec Guide Rail Adapter for routers, a system that allows you to route perfectly straight grooves, decorative grooves, dovetails, and lots more with the assistance of a track saw guide rail. This tool becomes necessary when clean, straight, and repeatable cuts are required without guesswork. The package includes a guide rail adapter, 0 to 8mm support, 0 to 33mm support, adjustment screws, and rods for easy setup. It is used to enhance routing precision, ensuring smooth, accurate cuts for professional woodworking results. power through every curve and cut with confidence and precision. Introducing the Enventor Cordless Jigsaw tool, built for users who need versatility and control in one compact machine. With LED light, 3,000 strokes per minute, 6 variable speeds, 4 orbital sets, and bevel cutting plus or minus 45 degrees, it handles a wide range of tasks effortlessly. Powered by a 20-volt brushless motor, it delivers up to 1,000 to 3,000 strokes per minute while reducing fatigue at just 5 pounds. This tool becomes essential when accurate, clean cuts are needed across materials. It is used for cutting wood, metal, and plastic, offering smooth performance with included blades, tool-free changes, and efficient dust extraction. Dial in perfect joints with unmatched precision and ease. Meet the Infinity Cutting Tools. Miter Trimmer, the precision miter trimmer that eliminates the frustration of trying to fine-tune the length of straight and mitered workpieces at the miter saw or table saw. It has long been trusted as the secret weapon of picture framers. Weighing 38 pounds and made of solid cast iron, it effortlessly produces whisper-thin shavings and smooth, glue-ready cuts. Featuring quarter-inch thick high-carbon steel blades set at a 45-degree shear angle, plus adjustable fences and a rack and pinion drive, it is used for fine-tuning joints in frames, boxes, and furniture. Bring precision and power to your workshop with advanced CNC performance. Presenting the SainSmart Genmitsu CNC router, a 710-watt trimmer and linear rail-driven machine with a work area of 410 by 405 by 77 millimeters for wood, metal, and acrylic cutting and milling, with GRBL control built to deliver next-generation precision. It becomes necessary when consistent accuracy, stability, and efficiency are required for detailed projects. Featuring advanced X-axis and Z-axis linear guideway structures, a reinforced spoil board with integrated T-track, and reduced vibration, it ensures smooth operation. It is used for precise engraving, cutting, and milling tasks, making it ideal for creating detailed designs across multiple materials. Tackle your projects faster and cleaner with cordless precision and power. Meet the Populo Nail Gun, an 18-gauge 2-in-1 cordless brad nailer stapler that includes a 2.0 ampere-hour battery, charger, and 1,600 staples and nails, making it a complete solution for carpentry and upholstery tasks. It becomes necessary when you need consistent, professional fastening without the hassle of cords or compressors. Featuring an upgraded motor, safety-first design, and ergonomic grip with LED light, it ensures accuracy and comfort. It is used for delicate woodworking, furniture repair, and securing materials with clean, precise results across a wide range of applications. Get cleaner holes and faster drilling precision in every woodworking project. Introducing the Comoware Spade Drill Bit Set, a reliable choice for users who need accuracy and speed when working with different materials. These paddle flat bits, hole cutters, titanium coatings, carbon steel, and woodworking 6-piece sets are built with carbon steel construction with titanium coating for capability and durability. The flat paddle design features a sharp cutting edge, ensuring the hole is smooth and clean. A self-centering spade tip allows spot-on starts while efficiently evacuating material during cutting. It is used for drilling accurate holes in wood, fiberglass, PVC, and soft metals like aluminum with consistent performance. A solid workspace makes every project smoother, faster, and more precise. Introducing the Dwvo adjustable workbench with pegboard, a 48-inch heavy-duty wood-top workbench with wheels, a rolling work table with an AC USB outlet, hooks, and a rack for garage, workshop, office, and home, built to handle demanding tasks while keeping everything organized. The stable construction with a robust steel frame supports up to 1,600 600 pounds, giving you a dependable surface for heavy-duty work. Equipped with multifunctional power ports, it keeps your tools and devices powered without extra hassle. The pegboard, hooks, and storage racks create an efficient workspace, while the adjustable height ensures comfort. With smooth rolling wheels, it's perfect for woodworking, repairs, and organized project work anywhere. Moving heavy panels alone shouldn't be a struggle. Introducing the Rockler Material Mate Panel Cart and Shop Stand Mobile Base Stand, containing a mobile workbench for tools with rigid steel frame construction and woodworking tools and accessories, built to move a full 4-foot by 8-foot sheet of plywood or drywall with ease. The rigid steel frame construction delivers strength and long-term durability, while smooth rolling 4-inch casters glide across tile, concrete, or asphalt effortlessly. Designed with 2 positions, it stands vertically for tight storage or converts into a work surface with an added top. Perfect for transporting large sheets, supporting cutting tasks, and serving as a mobile workbench in woodworking shops. Clean, precise cuts make all the difference in fine woodworking. The Spear & Jackson Tenon saw is built for accuracy and control, featuring universal teeth for general use, and cuts along and across the grain with ease. A high-carbon steel blade with precision cross-ground teeth delivers a slow, extra-fine cut, while the brass back for maximum rigidity keeps every stroke stable and straight. The comfortable wooden handle securely fixed by rivets ensures a firm grip during detailed work. Designed for joint cutting and sawing small pieces of wood and wood-based materials, it's ideal for doweling, molding, pelmets, skirting, architraves, and coving, giving clean, professional results every time. Perfect lines are the foundation of flawless woodworking. Presenting the Vislone Wood Scribe tool, a wheel marking gauge, a woodworking tool set, a 180mm sliding mark scraper, an adjustable precision linear arc dual-purpose scriber, and a parallel line drawing tool designed for accuracy in every mark. Featuring linear arc dual-purpose functionality, the stainless steel roller ensures smooth, consistent marking. The anti-roll design with durable aluminum alloy and sturdy knobs keeps it stable on any surface. A universal type pen holder supports pencils, needles, and refills for flexible use, while the clear scale allows precise measurements. Ideal for marking wood, glass, acrylic, ceramic, and metal, it's perfect for layout work, cutting guides, and detailed woodworking tasks. Clean grooves and precise cuts start with the right bit. Introducing the Newdeli Straight Cut Router Bit Set, which includes 3 pieces of 1/2 shank double flute straight router bits and a straight dado wood milling cutter built for smooth and accurate routing. Designed with anti-kickback, high abrasion resistance, and high-precision grinding technology, these bits deliver stable performance even during demanding cuts. The C2 carbide steel blade stays sharp and impact resistant, while the Teflon coating adds wear resistance and longer life. A smart, shear angle design helps prevent kickback during fast feeds. Perfect for cutting and engraving solid wood, MDF, chipboard, and more, it's ideal for dado cuts, grooves, and straight routing work. Dial in perfect cuts with confidence every time. Meet the JessEm Tool Setting Gauge, which includes a 14-gauge stainless steel small imperial setting gauge built for precision and repeatable accuracy. Designed to bring exact measurements to your fingertips, it can be used both vertically and horizontally for total flexibility in any setup. Simply loosen the brass knob, and setting the gauge height becomes quick and easy, while micro-detents allow fine adjustments down to 1/16 of an inch. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel and aluminium with a wood saber design for even pressure and control across a 0 to 6-inch range, it supports imperial or metric use, perfect for setting exact heights and depths in woodworking projects. Strong, clean joints make all the difference in woodworking. Meet the general tools. Woodworking Dovetail Jig, a 12-inch template kit for furniture and wood cabinet making, designed to create accurate and professional joints with ease. This adjustable dovetail jig features a one-piece aluminum layout that keeps both ends aligned, while the integrated clamping design fits boards of any width. The joint box includes a 14-degree half-inch dovetail router bit and clear guidance for smooth setup. As a versatile wood marker, it helps craft half-blind, through dovetail, and box joints with precision. Ideal for furniture building, repairs, and cabinet making, it ensures strong, tight-fitting woodworking joints every time. Weak miter joints can ruin an otherwise perfect project. Presenting the Woodpeckers Spline Jig, a router table and table saw jig for dovetails and miter joints, making joinery strong and attractive with clean, reinforced results. Built with precision quality, it features dual aluminum super track sections, UHMW glide strips, and powder-coated steel legs for smooth, accurate operation, plus flip stops to keep splines perfectly aligned. Designed to strengthen your miter joints, it adds both durability and a decorative touch. With versatile project capacity, it handles pieces from half an inch up to 3 feet wide. Perfect for creating strong, precise spline joints in frames, boxes, cabinetry, and detailed woodworking projects. Clean, accurate cuts on a table saw depend on control and stability. Introducing the JessEm Clear Cut Stock Guides, which are table saw precision stainless steel rollers with a smooth bearing system and downforce and feed control for accurate, safe woodworking cuts, designed to keep material firmly guided during every pass. With firm grip, downward spring pressure holds workpieces up to 2.5 inches thick, including full-sized plywood sheets. Superior control comes from 5-degree angled rollers that pull stock tight against the fence for precise cutting. Universal compatibility fits cabinet, job site, and contractor saws, while a safety feature, one-way bearings, reduces kickback risk. Built with durable stainless steel construction, they ensure long-lasting, reliable performance in any workshop. Accurate ripping and stable support can make or break woodworking precision on compact saws. Meet the Woodpecker's Auxiliary Rip Fence, a 36-inch table saw fence extension for band saws and contractor saws. A T-track fence face with in-feed and out-feed support designed to improve cutting accuracy and material control. The ARF-BSCS has a 7-inch material support with sliding clamping blocks for safe positioning, a 3.5-inch tall body, and integrated T-track slots. Sized for compact machines, it fits job sites, saws, band saws, and router tables. Quick setup and removal make installation fast using standard clamps, while enhanced support stabilizes workpieces. Built with American-made quality for long-lasting reliability in any workshop. That wraps up our list of the best woodworking tools on Amazon. Which of these ingenious workshop upgrades are you adding to your cart? Let us know in the comments below. If you found these woodworking tips and tools helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more tool reviews and DIY project inspiration. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices. Thanks for watching, and keep building!